Welcome to our intro to the listing quality dash. When you add complete and accurate information to your product listings, you help customers find your products and make an informed purchase decision. This means customers are more likely to receive a product that meets their expectations, and you're less likely to receive a return. The Listing Quality Dashboard can help you identify ways to improve your product listings by recommending product attributes and other details to add. These tips can help you create a great customer experience and fix time-sensitive issues that may result in your listing being hidden from search results. To view the Listing Quality Dashboard, select the menu icon in the top left corner of Seller Central. Hover over Inventory, select Manage Inventory, and click Listing Quality Dashboard on the Manage Inventory page. The products listed in the Products section are pre-sorted by sales and page views. We recommend starting from the top of the list and working your way down to focus on the products and tips most relevant to your business. If the Address Search Suppression button appears, select it to review which product listings are at risk of being hidden in search results if you don't apply the recommended improvements. To review your recommendations for a product listing, select any links in the Recommendations column that say View All Improvements. These links should include a number before the word improvements. If you feel that a missing attribute isn't relevant for the product, is confusing, or doesn't have the correct options for you to select from, let us know by selecting the ellipsis next to the recommendation and choosing the option that best reflects your feedback. You now know that adding the recommended information to your product listings can help you reduce customer returns and take time-sensitive actions. It can also help improve product discovery and help you make the most of your listings' product overview sections. For example, customers filter their search results using specific attributes. When you include information that customers look for, you help ensure your customers won't miss your product. The Listing Quality Dashboard can identify these missing product attributes and prompt you to complete them. The product overview also highlights noteworthy product attributes above the bullet points that you include on the product detail page. Your Listing Quality Dashboard may recommend you complete this section to help customers quickly evaluate your product and make a faster purchase decision. We'll identify missing product attributes and other suggestions that can help improve your listings in real time. So set a reminder to check for updates on a regular basis to help ensure you're providing a great shopping experience for your customers. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon store!